Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is a really fun day because my husband's coming back home. He has been overseas. I'm not gonna say where and stuff. We'll give details later, but he's coming back home today. Now, he was supposed to come back home tomorrow, or at least that's the date that he originally told me, and it just has to do with the time difference on his calendar or something. It like told him one date, but it's actually the day before. So he lands in Seattle, which is the layover before he comes here, and is like, hey, I'm in Seattle. And I was like, what? Wait, I literally was like, wait a minute, I'm confused. Like, are you gonna be like have a layover in Seattle for 11 hours until we see you tomorrow? Or like, I was really confused. And I told him, I was like, I'm 100% sure you told me this date. And he was like, oh crap, you're right. My calendar changed it on me. So I finished cleaning as much as I could in my cleaning video that I was recording, got myself ready, and I'm not like as dressed all cute like I wanted to be, but I'm gonna go take some stuff out of the car and then pick up Grayson, and then we're gonna head to the airport, and hopefully we get some fun footage of them seeing each other and of all of us just seeing each other for the first time in a really long time. So I'll see you in a little bit. So I wanted to say really quick, hopefully you can hear me, that I definitely planned a few things. Like I wanted to do maybe a little sign just to make it a little extra special to pick him up. But obviously I was gonna do a lot of that tomorrow, like because I was gonna clean all day today and just run the errands tomorrow. But we go with the flow around here, and that's okay. Dexter, I'm gonna go bye-bye, but I'm gonna have a special surprise. You be good, okay? So hopefully I have everything. I got an extra outfit for Grayson, and I just have his diaper bag. And I grabbed him some snacks because the airport's like an hour away. So I think we're good. Hopefully we'll see you there in a little bit. We're just waiting for Dada. Aww. Yeah? Are we waiting for Dada? Oh. Look. Hey. What's going on? It's the next day, and we've gotten ready this morning. We've already been by a store and got a couple things, and now we're headed to this thing called the Treehouse Museum. It's just like this really awesome place for kids to play. The airport was way too crowded to try and film, and Grayson was getting anxious, or he wasn't getting anxious, he was getting really fussy, so trying to capture a moment with Mike coming down the stairs was nearly impossible. And then we just kind of hung out the rest of the night and caught up, and it was really nice to just be able to talk. So we're gonna head to that museum.
what's going on? Hey. Yeah. Come here. Come here.
Grayson. That right? Thank you. Alright, look. Cookies. Oh, look at that. Go find some more. Here.
He's like, it's hot out here.
It is hot out here.
Push the button. Push the button. Probably don't.
Feel the sun's touching my face, reminding me of last year in the city where we both lived. Pine trees rained and streets called by name. We were breathing, flying, feeling that life's guiding our way. Running with the nightlight, hearts burning for the first time. Reality is closer, but we're not getting older. Dawn at Picasso paints you and me in yellow, and now will soon be over. We're soldiers and we're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. When the light arrived, we're strangers with nothing more common than before. Before the night started to tease us with warmth and such, music, love and touch. We were rolling, laughing, floating, and there's your eyes again. Running with the nightlight, hearts burning for the first time. Reality is closer, but we're not getting older. Dawn at Picasso paints you and me in yellow, and now will soon be over. We're soldiers and we're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. Closing my eyes to see what the city smells like now. Still feel the wind. The night we were dancing out of time. Running with the nightlight, hearts burning for the first time. Reality is closer, but we're not getting older. Dawn at Picasso paints you and me in yellow, and now will soon be over. We're soldiers and we're higher, higher.